specification writer who deals a lot with Dulux had come across the product and recommended it to me as a possible option to help with the transient heat in that part of the office. So he made the recommendation and we looked into it and thought it was worth giving it a try. There's parts of our building, we have a big mezzanine level at the back, and there's parts of the building where people are very close to the roof sheeting. And the roof sheeting up there, we've only got sheeting and insulation, there's no ceiling layer. So in the middle of summer when it was very hot, there's some pretty uncomfortable temperatures there, and a number of people had complained about it. So the air conditioning in there was probably struggling a bit to keep the temperature down to the recommended level that we have in the other parts of the office. So we tried other methods to sort of move the air around, which worked a little bit, but still the main problem seemed to be from all the heat trapped under that area and right underneath adjacent to the roof.
Today it's a commercial grade Infracool coating, so it's a 2-coat system rather than a 3. The first coat's a edge primer first coat, and then we run the final coat which both bind together. So if you're on a project like this on a commercial roof, you don't have to have all the technical skills. You only need to be on a roof and touch it once it's finished, and you'll feel that it's actually cold. So given that, the underside of the roof's not going to be generating heat. The air conditioning in a complex like this is going to be reduced from their overall cost per year, because the roof's not going to generate continual heat like it was prior. We have used other products, but I honestly feel that the Dulux Acrotex, the commercial Infracool, does the job a hell of a lot better. It's got far better coverage, gives far better performance long term, and it's backed by a national company. It's pretty simple.
Based on what our experience so far, we would expect to see some savings in running costs and maintenance costs, because we think that the air conditioning unit will be working not quite as hard as it used to, because the temperatures in those zones are a little bit less. Well, since it's been applied, we've had some couple of hot weeks where the temperatures are over 34 degrees, and we've noticed that the temperatures underneath the roof in those critical areas seems to have dropped. In fact, one of the staff members have been keeping sort of thermometer records from between this year and last year, and it appears that at least a couple of degrees, could be 2 or 3 degrees difference between last summer and this summer.